First we'll learn the strokes in Hindi. A सीधी रेखा, that's a standing line. It's called सीधी रेखा. Sleeping line, आड़ी रेखा, आड़ी रेखा. ये आधा गोल, this is half circle. ठीक है? So let's begin. आधा गोल ऐसे. It looks like 3, but you take the tail little up. आड़ी रेखा, सीधी रेखा और छोटी सी आड़ी रेखा. ये बन गया अ. So you make a half circle, another half circle, take the tail little high, a small sleeping line, a standing line, and a small sleeping line on top of the standing line. That makes the letter A. Now we come to the next letter, A. For that, again we are going to write like A. आधा गोल और एक आधा गोल थोड़ा ऊपर, फिर आड़ी रेखा, सीधी रेखा और एक सीधी रेखा और ऊपर से एक आड़ी रेखा. So we make a half circle, another half circle, take the tail little high, then a sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, and a sleeping line on the 2 standing lines. We will not put the sleeping line on 3. That makes the letter A. Now the next letter, E. For E, you all know how you write S. So we start with a short standing line. Don't lift up your pencil and you make a S. And then make a circle going inside and come down and stop. Make a slanting line down and stop. So this is the way you put a small sleeping line on top. This is the way you write E. So you make a small standing line, S. Don't lift up your pencil. Continuously we will write. So small standing line, S. Make a small circle by going little inward and come down slanting line and stop. A short sleeping line on top. That makes E. Now the next letter, E. इसके लिए भी छोटी सीधी रेखा, S. छोटा सा गोल और नीचे आना है आड़ी रेखा. इसके बाद आप where you have your standing line on top, you're going to make a hook from there. Keep your pencil on the standing line, go upwards and make a hook like this. Okay? And then you put a sleeping line. That makes E. ठीक है? We can also write like this. You make a sleeping line first and then you put a hook on top of the standing line like this. So both ways are okay. So this is E. ठीक है? Next one, U. U is very simple, just a formation of 3, but we go little higher. So it goes आधा गोल और एक आधा गोल थोड़ा ऊपर और एक स्लीपिंग लाइन, एक आड़ी रेखा. That makes U. See this letter, completely it's covered with the sleeping line. So this is U. Next letter, U. Same way, आधा गोल और एक आधा गोल थोड़ा ऊपर ले जाना है. ठीक है? फिर यहाँ से एक गोल घुमा के नीचे आना है. a small sleeping line on top. ये क्या है? ऊ. अब अगला अक्षर है री. री के लिए आपको तो ये पता है, the letter K. You know the letter K. But we are going to use the ulta K. For that, it's going to be like this. Okay, little curve we are going to make like this. ठीक है? So it is the ulta K. Then you know to write the small letter E. And you know to write the small letter C. You know to put a sleeping line, right? So we are going to use all this to make the letter Re. So how is that? I'll teach you. You remember these formations, okay? So you're going to put a standing line, then a little curve, come down like this, like an ulta K. Then from where the V is joining of the two slanting lines, from there you keep your pencil over there and make E and continue to make a C, and we put a small sleeping line on top. This makes the letter Re. So today you learn how to write Re. Once again I'm going to teach you the letter Re. Okay? For that, standing line, slanting line, and another slanting line down. Then from the same point you go right side, E and C. Continue. Don't lift your pencil. And a short sleeping line. That makes it Re. Okay, we'll continue the rest in the next class.